चश्मा कहाँ है? हाँ? ओह, ओके. मुझे घर जाना है. मुझे घर जाना है. This is my safe word or sentence to myself each time I am anxious or afraid. मुझे घर जाना है. मैं दिन में 10 दफ़ा तो मुझे घर जाना है बोलती ही हूँ, अक्सर घर बैठे ही. For home, घर is never really a place, but a presence. For me, it's the aura of my parents, my Papa ji and my Mummy auntie. Papa ji, a 2-time BA fail Doordarshan ka bekhauf anchor from the refugee colonies of Delhi, and Mummy auntie, a painstakingly simple, meticulous Tamilian doctor from Lady Harding College who never even had a male friend. These two met and got married within 15 days, eloped of course, but not from Papa ji's side because वो तो किसी के बाप से नहीं डरते ना. They got married and lived together happily ever after, with a brief 6-month gap between their respective journeys to heaven. She in June and he in December. Makes sense, for they were as different as summer and winter, yet one was incapable of existing without the other. ये ना कविता है ना कहानी, ये एक सड़क की एक ईंट है. वो लंबी सड़क जो मैं अपने पापा जी और मम्मी आंटी से कम्युनिकेट करने के लिए बना रही हूँ. मैं रोज एक ईंट जोड़ती हूँ इसमें, कभी लिखकर, कभी गाकर, कभी कुछ पकाकर तो कभी किसी को हड़काकर. Because as they say, if God is watching, you better make it entertaining. When Mama left us last June, young and fighting, I was left with an ailing, grieving father and endless grief, anxiety, trauma, and anger. But here's the thing, I didn't know who to be angry at. My pain was so personal yet so shared. ऐसा कोई नहीं जिसने कोई खोया नहीं. And so I picked up the pieces and put all my energy into saving the parent that did make it out of the hospital. And for the next 6 months, my sister and I, we tried our best. We tried our best to save him. His friends from all his phases of his extraordinary life tried their best to save him. All doctors tried their best to save him. But you know the thing about Papa ji, he was very particular about 2 things. The quality of his single malt and the quality of the company he kept. And he chose Mammas over us, and I don't blame him. बचपन से मैं पापा की बेटी रही हूँ, ठीक है? उनका फेवरेट बच्चा, उनका फेवरेट जोक, उनकी कॉपी कैट. And because I am my father's daughter, I haven't known what it's like to be helpless. But for the first time, I was completely helpless. And helpless not in that मेरा क्या होगा way, they empowered us enough to not feel that way. But helpless wondering, why did both of you leave me behind? Why? What am I to make of this life that I largely only liked because they were in it? Who am I to now be happy for, healthy for? Who do I earn for? And who do I live for? In one such moment, I remembered Papaji's response to one of my 100 rants about my future and how I was so scared of it in an industry that loves you and loathes you all in one day. He would quote Iqbal and say, "तू शाही है, परवाज है काम तेरा, तेरे आगे आसमां और भी हैं." Which roughly meant that bluer skies await you, for you're a falcon. It is your nature to fly, and fly you will. He'd end that by saying, "पुत्तर डरते नहीं है, लाइफ बहुत लंबी होती है. अभी तो बहुत कुछ देखना है, बड़े एवेन्यूज क्रॉस करने हैं. एक प्लेटो भी आएगा, सब होगा, डरते नहीं है." I think it would make them really sad if I gave up without a fight. And so I fight every day to heal. I read somewhere that we heal with our hands. Some model clay, some knit, some play an instrument, some cook, some caress, some drape, And some, like our mothers, just do it all in one day. मेरे हर दर्द का इलाज मेरी मम्मा के हाथों में था, चाहे वो दवाई हो या थप्पड़. She was a doctor. I saw her do things with her hands the whole day, you know. Light a diya, put vibhuti on my forehead, drape her jamdani, handcraft liquid bindis every day, do a mammogram, type out detailed emails, reports, detailed Instagram captions describing every little thing, cook handcraft modaks, gunpowder, achar, play the harmonium, all in one day. And I truly believe she was blessed with healing hands like all mothers are. As I sit now in my largely empty childhood home, every inch of which was so lovingly built by my parents, I realize that there is no greater tangible memory of my parents than the ones they made with their own hands. Papa's videos, each script of which was handwritten and he never ever used a teleprompter for. His books, his pens, his patila जिसमें वो मटन करी बनाते थे और बड़े प्राउडली उसमें रम डालते थे. मम्मा की साड़ियाँ, her harmonium, her baking dishes, her books, her achar and gunpowder, which I cannot finish, obviously. So now I too try and heal with my hands. When I feel empty, I scroll the rich, detailed Instagram posts she's captioned. When I feel scared, I pull out a book from Papaji's library. The last time I found an answer to How Will I Live in Faiz Sahab's book of poetry. The last two lines of which went like, खून में गम भी बह जाएगा, हम भी ना रहेंगे, गम भी ना रहेगा. And I'd like to believe this was Papaji's way of telling me to not take myself and human life so seriously and that I will see him again. My mother was the best cook and my father the best storyteller. So now, when my heart cries, मुझे घर जाना है, मुझे घर जाना है, मुझे घर जाना है, I cook myself a meal in my mother's kitchen using all her things and I pair it with a book from my father's library, and that for me is like hanging out with my parents. क्योंकि घर तो कहीं नहीं जा रहा, यही है. जैसे हम चश्मा हर जगह ढूंढते हैं और वो हमारे पास ही मिलता है, जिन्हें हम खो चुके और याद करते हैं और ढूंढते रहते हैं, शायद वो इसलिए नहीं मिल पाते क्योंकि वो और कहीं नहीं, यही है हमारे साथ. So to anybody who's lost someone, they are within us. They are always within us. Thank you.